Mayor. Thank you once again, Lieutenant Colonel Emmanuel A. Gallio, and to the SB members, and of course, Honorable Florentino Boyce.
Of Dr. Jose Rizal found these two novels as subversives. These two literary works of Rizal led to his execution, but resulted to awareness on the oppressive conditions the Filipino people had undergone for the last 3 centuries, thereby sparking the revolution that had already been creeping for some time. The rest is history unfold, leading to the present status of the country we are now experiencing. The foundation of the past leads to the kind of country we are living today. Our country today enjoys the independence characterized with freedom from any form of foreign intervention. We are a country with equal sovereignty from the rest of the world. We are defined jurisdiction beyond the encroachment of co-equal countries internationally. When we viewed it in the national level, we are a people accorded with the basic human rights. We are living in a country that allows its people to enjoy the freedom of speech, of information, and of free press. We are a people with constitutionally protected right to elect our leaders as directed by our conscience. To view it locally, we will not bring our observation to other locality, but on our very own town of Sindangan. With the present status our municipality has achieved at present, we can or you can proudly say that we are a people who are fortunate enough to experience the blessings of good governance. The most recent is the introduction of the university in relation to the aspiration of Dr. Jose Rizal for the youth. Taken together, that is the very foundation Dr. Jose Rizal had laid down through offering his very own life in exchange for our country's independence, of the people's freedom, and of every Filipino's welfare, especially that of the youth. His legacy is for all ages and walks of life. The challenge of today is on how to secure the independence and freedom Dr. Jose Rizal had won for us Filipinos. We should be reminded that the issues confronted by our country today does not only involve internal security problem, but also external security issue brought about by that educational institution for the people to equip themselves of the needed knowledge enough to understand and question the regime's governance. The novel emphasized that for the colonizer to control the people must be kept ignorant, thereby preventing them from exercising their basic rights. The El Filibusterismo told of the revenge through pushing for an unfair, oppressive government policies to be enforced to its subjects in order for the same people to go against the oppressive government. The protagonist in No Limitang Hiri and El Filibusterismo, who happened to be the same person, intended to pursue his noble intention of liberating the country, but in the latter novel, through radical means, revolution.